Controller drift can be a frustrating issue for gamers, especially in competitive settings. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix controller drift for your Call of Duty gaming experience. Step 1. Inspect the controller. Check for any visible dirt or debris around the analog sticks. Sometimes particles can cause the sticks to malfunction. Use a soft cloth to clean the exterior and ensure there is no obstruction. Step 2. Calibrate the controller. Access your console or PC settings to recalibrate the controller. This process can help reset the analog stick sensitivity and eliminate drift. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the calibration. Step 3. Update firmware. Make sure your controller's firmware is up to date. Connect your controller to your console or PC and check for any available updates. Installing the latest firmware can resolve many performance issues, including drift. Step 4. Adjust dead zone settings. In the game settings, adjust the dead zone settings for the analog sticks. Increasing the dead zone can help minimize the effects of drift by requiring more movement before the game registers input. Step 5. Consider repair or replacement. If the drift persists after trying the previous steps, it may be time to consider repairing or replacing the controller. Look for professional repair services or consider purchasing a new controller if necessary. By following these steps, you should be able to address controller drift effectively and enhance your gaming experience. Good luck and enjoy your time in the game.